and welcome back after the break. Now we have a bit of Bollywood for you as promised, and we start with the lovely and vivacious Mandira Bedi, who was here in Dubai recently to co-host Masala Awards.
Whenever I come here and whenever I have come here in the past, it's always been about good times. It's always been about lots of lovely places to eat, lots of nice places to go out at night, and plenty of fantastic shopping. Of course, every time I've come, I've always come on work. I haven't just made a holiday out of it. It's never happened like that. So this one is a bit of a working holiday because I'm here to host the Halal Masala Awards, and I've decided to stay on a few days, spend some time with some family here and some very, very dear friends.
Mandira is so multifaceted. She is an actor, a model, a TV host, and has been a brand ambassador for women's cricket. It's interesting to see how she puts it all together.
It's a difficult job balancing everything out and being a good mom and trying to get one's priority as far as the career is concerned as well, and being a contributing, valuable wife.
Seeing Mandira so fit, it's hard to believe that she has a 7-month-old baby who she brought along here in Dubai. Never easy to juggle, but a mother is a mother, no matter what your profession.
Now I realize what it takes to be a working mom. It's very hard. Every waking moment that I'm not working, when I'm home, I'm with my child. When I'm working and I have to be away, then I'm away. But for example, I've brought my son to Dubai. He's here with me, and we're here for a few days. Wherever I can take him, a lot of my work makes me travel, I take him.
And from one multitasking Bollywood mum, we speak to another sensational and super stylish diva, Malaika Arora Khan. Malaika is one of the most stylish mums in Bollywood, and we spoke to her about her busy lifestyle and her style mantra.
Normally, I'm a very no makeup kind of a person. You'll never ever see me with tons of makeup on if I'm not working. But when I am working, then again, I like strong dark eyes, because I think Indian women have got beautiful eyes, and you should accentuate it. So it just cold pencil looks fantastic, but I should be defined really well. Skin should be luminous. It should be nice and shiny and flawless. And again, lips depends on what you're wearing. If you've got dark eyes, and you should go nude on the mouth. Otherwise, I like nice bright reds or coral on the mouth. Winter, I think any which way, everybody is in black and greys. Winter colors are all very dull and drab. So I think you should spice it up with your makeup. So wear a nice strong lipsticks.
Malaika started the trend for sizzling item songs with a hit number, Chaya Chaya. Now it's time for Katrina to set the screen ablaze with the raunchy Chikni Chameli from one of the most talked about films of recent times, Agnipath. Let's meet the stars. Hrithik Roshan spoke to the media about why he picked a role that was previously essayed by the great Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, saying that all I took from Mr. Bachchan was a lifetime of inspiration.
कोई कमजोर ये नहीं कह सकता कि उसने पहलवान को माफ किया. उसके लिए कमजोर का पहलवान बनना जरूरी है.
I think the audience will react exactly the way I reacted, because I was against doing a remake. Especially when the remake is of a classic. In my head, I just kept saying, why destroy the sanctity of something that is so amazing? why go there? And especially, why should I go there when Mr. Bachchan has done what he has done in that film? You know, why should I do that to myself? But the narration, the script, the screenplay, it just, you know, broke all my preconceived notions. It went through all the layers and it just hit my heart, you know. So, and I just put my head down after I heard this screenplay, and I put my head down and I shook my head. I said, I have to do this, you know. Why will I not do a good film?
Vijay Dinanath Chauhan.
It's the whole David versus Goliath. You know, the larger the villain, the more impossible the journey, the more entertaining the film.
मैं काली हूँ, काली कौड़े.
Kali's character is vulnerable, but she's yet extremely strong. I think the only thing that she stands for in her life is Vijay. And she says, you know what, you do what you have to do, I'll take care of everything. Fine. It doesn't matter. She loves him that unconditionally. So her vulnerability is her strength. And I think that is what the strongest part of Kali is.
Kancha Cheena was created to terrorize the viewers. But before he could do that, looked like Sanju Baba himself got scared. Let's speak to the big man with a soft heart and find out how he prepared for his role. For the first time on High Life Dubai, Sanjay Dutt.
तुम क्या लेके आए थे और क्या लेके जाओगे? रह जाएगा सिर्फ एक इंसान, सर्वशक्तिशाली, सर्वशक्तिमान, कांचा.
Sanjay, first of all, lovely to have you in Dubai and lovely to have you on the show. This is your first time and I'm so excited to have you on the show.
Thank you so much. Always a pleasure to be here in Dubai.
Great. The first question about the movie. You've done so many positive roles, especially after Munna Bhai. People really see you as this good guy. What made you pick up this bad guy character? I mean, it must be quite a challenging decision for you to take.
Yeah, absolutely. It was a very, very challenging role, and it had something in it, you know, Kancha, which something I'd never done before. And I was very, very excited to really do this role. And I'm very happy I've done it, and you know, it's come across the way it had to. So I'm happy.
जब हमने ट्रेलर देखा तो एकदम खतरनाक दिख रहे हैं आप. क्या प्रिपरेशन किया आपने to look like that?
कोई प्रिपरेशन मैंने तो नहीं किया, लेकिन करण मल्होत्रा जो डायरेक्टर है, वो बहुत फोकस्ड डायरेक्टर है. उनको पता था कि कांचा का लुक कैसा होना चाहिए, उसके कपड़े कैसे होने चाहिए, उसका बिहेवियर कैसा होना चाहिए. तो एज एन एक्टर उसने मेरा काम जो है बहुत आसान कर दिया. तो यू नो, ही इज़ फैंटास्टिक डायरेक्टर, एंड it's all his hard work, actually.
Tell us about this city. Were you shocked to see so many changes in the city?
The last time I came here was in 1990. तो एक ही रोड हुआ करता था, शेख जायद रोड, और एक ही होटल हुआ करता था जो I think Hyatt था, I think.
Yeah, Grand Hyatt and World Trade Center.
बस. और हम लोग ने फुजैरा में शूटिंग की थी.
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
5 साल बाद I was coming from the Ukraine. My wife was here. एंड मेरा फ़्लाइट जो है वो शारजा में लैंड हुआ, तो शी केम एंड पिक मी अप. तो हम लोग दुबई की तरफ आ रहे थे, तो दूर से मैंने लाइट्स देखी इतनी, तो मैंने बोला ये कौन सा शहर है? तो उसने कहा दुबई है. मैं बोला क्या बात कर. तो जब हम लोग दुबई एंटर किए, आई वाज जस्ट शॉक्ड. आई वाज जस्ट अमेज्ड दैट हाउ ऑनरेबल शेख मोहम्मद इज जस्ट created this place. I mean, it's his vision, which is just amazing. He's got Dubai right there on the globe.
You were the first guy who got into like bodybuilding, and secondly, the way you've gone through so many downs, but you always come out of it. You are such an inspiration. तो आपको लगता है कि आपके ऊपर कोई pressure है, या तो you just leading your life the way you want to?
कोई pressure तो है नहीं मेरे ऊपर, लेकिन जो आदमी के किस्मत में लिखी गई बात है वो तो होनी ही है. And I think you should face your problems, look at the problem in the eye and say, get over you know. अगर आप भागने की कोशिश करें तो कुछ नहीं होगा.
Problems पीछे आएंगी.
बिल्कुल आएंगी, तो उसको ख़त्म कर देना चाहिए, you know. चाहे जितनी भी तकलीफ हो।
अब मैं लिखूंगा गीता का 19वां अध्याय। विजय दीनानाथ चौहान को मरना पड़ेगा।
It was wonderful having him on the show and heartwarming to hear his message to all the viewers of High Life Dubai.
I just want to say is that stay fit, stay clean, and be high on life, not on drugs.
A big thank you to the organizers Rashid Saeed and Javed Mohammed of SR Events for bringing this amazing talent of Bollywood to Dubai. And with that, I'll take a short break. Milte hain break ke baad.
Keep watching High Life Dubai with Uma.
Coming up after the break, 2 new international names call off a fragrance from France and UK's hottest night spot, Mahiki Dubai.